Understanding BMI. How BMI is calculated. Formula. BMI is equal to weight in kilogram over height per meter square. Alternative is BMI is equal to weight in pounds over height in inches per square. BMI categories. Underweight. BMI less than 18.5 is considered as underweight. Normal weight is BMI 18.5 to 24.9. Overweight is 25 to 29.9. Obese is equal to or greater than 30. Importance of BMI. Health indicator. Helps identify potential health risks related to underweight, overweight, and obesity. Guidance. Provides a guidance for healthcare professionals to assess and advise on weight-related health issues. Limitations of BMI. Not comprehensive. Does not account for muscle mass, bone density, and distribution of fat. Population variations. May not accurately reflect health status across different ethnic groups and ages.